So my people, not just the network, not be that just Facebook, because I will continue. I'll continue because the brainwashing with these people they do my people. We don't want it. We don't need it in our land. We don't need it in the Biafra land. We don't want anybody to brainwash us. But people, if you not they hear, Mona tell me say yes. Mona help me write yes. If you not they hear, but if you did help me write yes. If you they hear, because these people are trying to disturb what we are doing. We need to sanitize our people because wetin Mofi dey find the freedom wey Mofi dey find my people. Na me dey tell una now, yeah. The freedom wey Mofi dey find no be freedom of our people. Now freedom of another kingship again. Freedom of brainwashing our people again. Na Mofi dey find. Mofi no dey fight for freedom of our people. If you know say dey hear, let me write yes. Na Mofi dey find for our people. That's why me dey come here. They tell our Esan people, the good Benin people, please, anything wey Mofi dey do for there, Mona no dey contribute at all. The whole money wey they don't contribute for Mofi, Mona ask am wetin use the money to do. Mona ask am whether Buhari is alive. How did they have his information? What is he telling our people for there? And he have a case in our hand in the Asian people. He get a big case in my hand because this boy have put our people in prison in Europe. He have arrested, he have make police to arrest the Asian people. Mofi make police, Carabineri to do for the Asian people in Europe. That's why me and they here now to tell our people, if you are an Asian woman, you dey delay money for Mofi. I dey beg you now, please stop to be giving Mofi money. Stop to be giving Mofi. You can be looking at him. It's not be problem. I not come here to tell you, say no, they follow him. You will follow him, but stop to be giving him money. Stop to be telling him is your leader. You are giving him respect. Don't give him respect. It's just ordinary, like Oba Bini. As Oba Bini is a criminal, now so Mobi say be criminal, now so Giamete be criminal. These people, they are thieves. That's what me. If I tell Unana, he is not happy. I dey spoil the job. I don't spoil the job to the extent, they bring account number come outside again. Because in Biafra struggle, I no come outside, I can't tell you, say, come and pay me money here. Now, may you share this broker so that I will get to our people. Because the day Mofi started, our leader started to be saying that Biafra will not have a traditional criminal in Biafra land. That day Mofi hate Mazuna Dikalo. If you people don't know, now, if you are an enigma Biafra, you have been supporting Mofi, you are doing it financial, this thing, you are the betrayer, you are the way they call him, because me, I don't know saboteur. You are the betrayer, you are the person that are betraying our leader. If you they follow that Mofi, where they smoke this thing, tobacco for Jamie, if they find money, we will take smoke tobacco for Jamie. If you they follow that, you they do a lot of harm to this our struggle. You they do a lot of harm because we don't know where for come. In and the Oba, there be one people that they fight for one agenda. That's why they are fighting. We need to leave them so that they should go and kill themselves. As well as they come now, they cannot help our people. They cannot save our people. They cannot save our people. They cannot help our people. There is nothing that we do to save our people now. As it day now. Now waiting Odumegwu Ojukwu see. Now they happen. So waiting our leader, able leader, Mazuna Dikalo see. Now they happen. So that's why me as personal, I dey pay my respect to those two people. I dey pay my respect to them because I have learned so many things from them. I have learned so many things from them. But as for Mofi, I have never learned anything from him. Nothing. How did I learn something from him? I did not learn anything. Only the thing he's doing there is taking our people's money is what I don't like. Because even me, I already know that we are Benin, we are not one. I've already know. Because I'm a village boy, I know, say we not be one. Now just so many of our Asian people not just still know few. Because he don't gawa our people. He don't betray our people. He don't betray the Asian people. He give them to police to arrest. Police don't arrest our people for Austria. When he come outside, now Asian people they do brokers now. He arrest them now. He put them for prison. He will tell police say that they did Joshua. Go and meet them. Did Joshua. They are there. Now Asian people they start. So you cannot be telling me now me as a guy now will be say I witness with this boy that boy do to us. I will be clapping her for him. I am going to Jamie to go and beat him. This is the right time to me to beat him because in another Benin and Ogiamien, they are the main reason why our people is living in pain today. These three people, so we are going to kill their three. And Mofi, the one Oba Bini is doing you is just a small one. Me, I can get with you, and if I will not take you to court, you are going to take me to court, so that I will bring your proof and your evidence that you used to deceive our people, that they are killing our people now. You cannot help them.
Is Murphy make our people not to join Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We have people that are capable in Igodomigodo, people that live in America, people that Oba Benin, even the Murphy support Oba Benin sell our people to slave. Murphy is aware. The Ogiso is saying he want to do it now. He says Ogiso. Ogiso is among those people that sell our people to slave. If people don't know today now, they are one people. They are the people that sold our people. People that sold our people to slave, that smoke cigarette in Germany. You are telling us that is we are one. You are donating for him. We don't donate money for him. We are going to lay animals and costs for your head. Because these people, they are not happy. They don't love us. We are not one. They are Fulani. Go and check Murphy. Look at Murphy. Murphy look like Fulani. We don't reason the same thing. We know they reason the same thing. Okay, look me as a day now. Now one brokers now listen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now once I tell you say he is going the right way. Now since that day now they follow around. Since that day now they follow around. But look at the Lebino people now. They not even what did they are brain different from my own. Not be say by say you go inside class, you forget your sense. Not be with the talk. In you now, he not did the one with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did. Waiting Murphy just did now kingship. May come be leader. It not be our side, you want for be leader. If you go do leader for Orekbeni, wherever if you that place where about Benin for said their land finish. If you go do leader, it will come outside, they don't say our land. Then it go dey divert the Asian people attention. Now that one may not they like. That's why I will beat her well. Now that reason that will make me go beat Murphy well. If they brainwash our people, so they even said no. I wish not be me even come outside one day say get one water with person they say Murphy for they say get one water with that boy they say don't send and go America. They don't buy it very good. If for God they send that water for our people, this is what we don't like. Yes, now go. Oh no, this guy na him back when. Anybody that will want to do no, those PD people, they're not good. Now, I usually talk to my people, they're not good. They brainwash our people. Go look the other woman now. The Benin people now, they die. Many of them don't get problem. They don't get problem for their rib. It's saying that they drink salt. Both in come now, the water where they fetch for ground, it's saying that they go to buy the water. You won't go carry one, go America. And if you do that, he no job. This boy don't, as work plenty for Jamie. This boy cannot work. He cannot go to Jamie and look for work. This boy stay at home. This boy stay hard for many years. Since 2017. 2017, now Murphy start ASAN program. When they put ASAN youth for prison. I'm telling you, and the Igbo youth. Now they put us for prison. Not be today start this thing. Because I don't feel the thing say because they carry history come outside. And me now, I can't put my brain will come. I look and say one day will fall for my trap. And at the time, 9 days. So the time will be say me. Person now, I will go meet her for Jamie there, and I will beat her well. I will deal with her because nobody send a message. We don't send her waiting they do for there. We the Asian people, we don't know that boy. We don't know him. If you want to, because the history where both they tell our people now, they say, if they tell our people now, say all these people now make we the Asian people now, make we can't serve them again now. Una know they understand. You not tell them say okay, make we free. Okay, so that everybody will have a freedom of speech. You can, like as our people, our women go protest that day. Say, may they not kill their children again. May they not rape them for bush again. May they see beer that they go find, they see their daily bread. The Benin women, they don't feed one. Even Murphy is angry about those kind of things. He's angry. In a slave. He won't use the issue to do escape. We know they understand. He won't use to do escape. So that they can't go brainwash our people, they can't go miserable, go do die unnecessary. We don't want me while you die. That's why they come outside. Asian people, beware for Benin people, beware for them. Before you kill you, may you kill them first. Before you just kill you, kill them first. They are not good. They are betrayers. They have the blood. They have in their DNA. They are like Yoruba people. They be one. They are one family. They are with the Yoruba. They be one family. They still get that mentality for head. Say. We fight the war. Now make this tactics now where Obaseki they use now. Now the tactics where they used before. Now be this one. So we be say that they fight against our Igbo Biafra, and we will not work for this time now. This time now there is no space for them. That's why me I dey advocate for the Asian people. If you are donating money, don't give Murphy money. Murphy is using your money to smoke Marlboro. Marlboro is cost in Germany. He is using your money to do rubbish in Germany. He is not working. Someone that is not working. You are donating money for him. Problem is arrived now. You cannot solve the problem. I've been at the Edo State youth where you die for the NSAS protest where they do. Where Obaseki they kill now. Now he won't go work for the office. Who you want put for the office? Who won't work for the office? I've been at the Edo State where we say Oba Bini where be madman when they fight. Now he He won't go put person for there, for the office for there. That's why I tell my ancient people, we and these people will not be one. They know the reason that cause. There is nothing that will make us to be one. You be a person, a woman. You they give more for your money. We are going to use Arimie to lay curse on your head because you are seeing our women. They are raping them on daily basis because our women cried out that they are raping them in their bushes. They are killing their children. Our women cry out. Obaseki is an Yoruba man, is an Benin man, is an Ilebinu man. He's not happy about that. You as a Sama, you are supporting that person. We are going to tell our women, if it is 5, they will nickel and lay curse on your head. And lay curse on you and Mofi head. Because Mofi will not brainwash our people in this time. He's a criminal and he's a thief. Because I have never donated for him. But our people donated for him. He's a thief. Why will I donate for Mofi? Why will I use my money? I don't see where Eastern Security Day. I don't see the IPOB go give my money, make that they support our security. I can't go carry my money, see Mofi day life. I can't go corner. That's why I tell my people, these people, they are just bunch of criminal, they be thief. We don't want these people among us first. Now Mofi brainwash their youth. Brainwash the Ishan people, especially Ishan, Auchi people. He brainwash them to the extent that they don't fit join Eastern Security again. He not get the one when he put in place now, as he did now. But in the fight against Mazuna Dikano, because Mazuna Dikano say he don't need kingship in Biafra land, now make the fight against, and we support that motion. We are laying, we the Igodomigodo, we lay, let me tell you now, the Igodomigodo children, Mofi is fighting against Igodomigodo. If you people don't know today now, Mofi is not fighting for Igodomigodo. Don't think Mofi is fighting for Igodomigodo. That is the reason I told you I will buy tickets. I will go beat Mofi well for Jamie. Because we are not joking, this is our freedom. Mofi they fight against Igodomigodo freedom. Ask Mofi how many times we go there Igodomigodo platform. Mofi will share them because the truth is bitter and I'm going to be telling our people here. Mofi never share Igodomigodo Biafra victorious in his platform one day because Mofi is a criminal. Mofi is a thief. I'm telling you people today now. Mofi is a thief. He is fighting for his selfish interest in that place. Now he tell all the youth of Edo State, say, may they not join IPOB. May they not support Eastern Security. Mona go look waiting they talk for there now. Waiting Mofi they talk for there now. Now Mofi will do our group, a WhatsApp group. Now thief, he not vaccine money to pay her strength, my people. Me they tell you now, he's a criminal. The Arabu woman will keep for her. That one don't come up for her. It will open live video. That's what they do. I'm here to educate my people. For anybody to brainwash our people. A lot of work they Jamie. May Mofi go work. People they carry tire. They do so many things. They do learn work for them. May go learn work for Jamie. Go and learn mechanic work. The way they bush motor, you can work there. Not be brainwashing our people. Now history carry come. We all know. If you tell our people where they Western world. History, though they give you money, we all know. Me, I don't feel do that kind of thing. Why I not tell my people? No, I don't want to tell that kind of thing because I be village boy. I know say Fulani won't kill our people. I know how Fulani they deal with us when we dey village. When would they deter what they go? Would they go river? Cow would they pursue us for inside bush? If they come for river, now make us what we don't need Fulani. Mofi is among those Fulani that time. Mofi dey among those Fulani because he say if we have Fulani blood in his blood. In his vein, we are not one people. We are the Benin people. We are not one people. That's why if you come across my video, my good people of Igodomigodo, my good people of Biafra, my good people of the good people of Edo State, the Esan people, more than they share, they're not donate for year. Now, yet we they tell our people, see the person where be say they brainwash our people. See the person where be say they collect our people money with no reason. Because now me come outside, I say in Biafra land, if you be native doctor, if you not vanish. That day, you not vanish, disappear. We will put you for psychiatry hospital. They will treat you very well. Anything where you know, you will go well for inside that place. Anything where you know, if you know, say you if you be traditional ruler, if you want to be a traditional ruler, we are going to buy tractor for you and for you to go and make farm. You will make better farm so that our economy will grow. Now those things, now Mofi is against. That's why Mofi is against Igodomigodo. Mofi need kingship. Mofi need, he want to be Oba, not be even Ogiege, Oba, because if Mofi need Ogie, Mofi will not be fighting against Igodomigodo. Mofi is against Igodomigodo. I'm telling you people today, anything Mofi used to swear for himself, my brothers and sisters, not be today with the see swear. Oba Bini they swear for them since then. How many of them don't kill? You know they kill all of them because nobody give them life. Nobody Oba Bini give them life. No be money, no be Mofi born now. Mofi is a criminal. He's a bloody criminal. I'm telling you people today, my Asian people, nobody can deceive us. That's why I'm here to tell our people. If you be woman, you are from Asian land, you be boy, you be young youth, don't give Mofi money. Don't give him your money. He put our youth for prison for this Europe where we dey. So he don't put our people for problem. The Asian people, he don't put them for problem. When Mofi they do Asian program, you know they make sure beneath there. That like, if they sell this one, they know they na the small hustle that they do. We they do big one. If they jealousy us that time, if they do all manner of things to bring the Asian people down. Now Mofi they do that time. Mofi is fighting against Biafra freedom. I'm telling you today, our Igbo Biafra, our Ijo Biafra, our Shekiri Biafra, our Orobo Biafra, if you are a man or a woman that go support Mofi, whatever Mofi is doing there, you are the problem we have in Igodomigodo, and we are going to use our ancestors to lay curse on you and Mofi head. Mofi is a mad person. Mofi and Oba Abini and Ogiamien, they be crazy people. Me, they tell Nana, my people, their head not correct. How their head not take correct? Fulani Hesme don't come now. Ogiamien don't run come out. Fulani Hesme don't come now. Oba Abini, the mad person, he carry chair take sit down. He won't give them ruga for there. When we all know that Fulani Hesme, Yoruba, they drive them, come out. Our Igbo Biafra, they drive their own come out for their land. Okay, Fulani, the one where they north side, they don't keep people, they don't collect their land for that place. Now, Mofi, they come outside now, if they add Asian people, join this thing is doing. That's why they tell the Asian people, you can listen. I don't say you can listen to him. You can watch him, but if it comes to the aspect of unity, aspect of donation, you have to be, don't support, don't do anything, because if you the supporter, you they support the terrorism that be taking place in Ishana. If you don't know, you are supporting the terrorism that want to take place in Ishana. You they support the people that they against the Asian people. You are supporting the people that they against Asian people. Mofi don't love Asian person. If you are an Asian person now, I'm telling you today now, Mofi don't love Asian people. He don't love Igbo people. He doesn't love Biafra. Wetin Mofi dey fight for? Ogiso wey be say he no get company when he build for Asian for Igodomigodo land. Oba Abini no agbe obagbon with Ogiamien wey dey wear skirt or up and down. He no get wetin he do for Igodomigodo land. That one na money that they collect for people, huh? He's a criminal. Mofi dey fight for them. You are donating money for him. We are going to make sure say we go lay curse on your head. You and Mofi, we are going to lay curse on our head, because now we put our people for this mess today. Because Mofi did not believe our leader when our leader said Buhari is dead. He did not believe our leader when our leader said Fulani Hesme coming. Everything Mofi is preaching for our people. Fulani is good people. They are peaceful people. They are good people. Tomorrow he will wear their cloth. Not that I'm jealousy him for wearing their cloth. No. But I'm just telling you, our people, the way he brainwash our people. When our people see they did this mess today now. When we say they don't even know the reality, wait till they come. So when we say they don't feel stay open eye. They don't feel see get time to listen to our leader. Say this time will come. Now Mofi now cause those things. Now Mofi now cause those damage for our people. Because those people, they are full of, they are betrayal like the Yoruba. They are one people. In with this man where they Spain, this newty where they Spain, this newty una see na every day na that newty till they come outside. It will tell that Asian people when they listen to them, but don't not too carry their matter put for your brain, because their head not correct, they not get sense. They are educated fool, they not get brain. Because this man waiting they come outside, they teach the people. Jeremiah is happy, he is the one that wrote the scripture. The scripture is coming back again, but now what we are seeing now, the scripture is already here, and the script, not the scripture where they read, not being there yet now. Not be the Jeremiah where they read now, not being there yet now. Not be the Isaiah, not being there yet now. He tell us say this person, Obaseki is the savior. Now wetin Newty tell us, Newty where they Spain. Now wetin he tell us say, now this person Obaseki na be the savior of those state people, not Asian people. That's why if they are doing things, if they don't enter mess, though they carry Asian people enter the mess. That's why me personally, that Mofi, I will beat am well for Jamie way did. I will beat am. They will send me court paper. Yes, I will beat am well because the boy no get sense. If they don't do mess finish, though the additional joiner, then make me they remove ourselves for that place, because these people, they are not happy that our women, they are not happy. When we say we not be slave, when we say they not be slave, now the Asian people not be slave. If we not they understand, all these Benin people where they talk, those people they be slave. We not they understand. They be slave. Now we not be slave. That mean now Yoruba person is a man, is a now waiting we are planning to eliminate the whole Yoruba people. eliminate them, kill all these people, like this person, like the people like the Mofi, Ogiame, Oba, Benin. We are going to deal with these people because these people, they are not good people. I'm telling you people today. Now they sell our people for slavery. The people wey be say they sell for slavery, now then they donate money, they give Mofi every day. Oba, it not be only Oba. Not be only Oba sell people for slavery because Oba na mad person. He's a madman. Now Oba will even deal with well because he head not correct. He head not the work. Now he will even personal deal with well but because the Mofi will be say they join Oba, they not going to remove themselves now. Say they are not a monk. They use the Asian people till they cover up. Now what they see they do now? Ruga don't come now. They make sure Asian land because our people do put our women do rally, do protest. They come they put or join now. Say they want to give Ruga for the 18 local government. My brother, we are not among of you people. Mona go find way on a problem for start because we not be slave for there. We are not a slave in this land. And no one, anyone look gay. We come outside, give anybody land in this land. We are going to make sure say that look gay. That behind this, so we will they'll go to shit for a palace every day. We'll use it, that place they turn to the toilet. Because we will not joke with anybody. When the Fulani don't come up for everywhere, now those stay the day now, they should take that place. Because when would they tell the Oba Benin na Fulani? Na Fulani, na the Oba Benin te be Fulani, na so Mofi te be Fulani. You know they think like me. Me what I know, we cannot live the same thing. If they think like Fulani, you know say today they come, but you go tomorrow go tell and say na it be the if they see vision, na it be hold. Now so these people they are like Yoruba. They will just tell you what you know be how you will take brainwash, how your brain will take low. I'm not gonna tell you say na me go pass, my brother. If you just fuck up, my brother, you come up for my list. You don't get sense. Those people don't get sense. I not be spiritual person. I not be say I dey vanish, I dey come. No, I be normal human being like you. Now God will create me, now I create you. The ancestor with me and you they call today, now me and you. Nobody, they don't keep her for one place, say that I be that one. Now me and you and your great grandfather that is died before, now they be the ancestor, not be Mofi. Mofi na man person. Or the past person where they smoke cigarette, now they be your ancestor. Person where they tomorrow he will say na Obaseki, a good person. Una ancestor now, una savior now, Obaseki na Ruga they give now. You don't know say this thing they come. You don't know. That's also camera, video where people don't put for their Facebook. Now you can go to show our people on daily basis. Say now this one, na so Obaseki won't sell it. They don't sell that place before. Now just for them to tell them that they wear jalabia. Now it just remain. Because why me they do all those things? Now all those people, now they cause the damage of this our struggle. We make people go take us say what thing we even they do say we know they ginger our people. You don't tell what would they preach for our people. Wake up, Fulani help me want to take our land. Our leader don't tell us all those things. We see use the lawless, he tell our people. But Mofi where they Jamie, he tell our people say lie, they are not Biafra. They are it just will be your relation. Tomorrow, why they do all those things? They bring Biafra picture come outside. If they bring our leader picture, why they do all those things? Now because he just looking for viewer. If they find viewer, if they find who will help and share. Una see the other day now, that day where our leader make sure they put their Facebook picture for that place. This Mofi now is stupidity. They know they share what they do for their again. You can't go restart, you can't go reshare the page, our leader page. For the first time, this boy never share Mazuna Dikano's page one day. Because it can never be like Mazuna Dikano. There is no man born on this planet Earth that will be like Mazuna Dikano. In all day, they never born that person well. That's why I come here to tell our people, Mofi is a mad person. He is trying to play sharpness to our people, to brainwash our people for the second time. We will not accept this and we will not take it. We will not use it to joke with anybody that will brainwash our people. If you dey Australia, you dey all over the world, Mofi Uyi, where he call himself Ogiso, is a criminal. He is among those people that sold our people to slave. He supported the Oba of Benin. I wish it not be we. They have Mofi before now. Mofi therefore don't negotiate. Give her money. He will just keep quiet. He will just stop not to be going to Benin City, that place. He will just stop. Lock run against him there now. They are the waiting arrest him now. They say that the ancestor of Asian land, now he arrest him. How he arrest him? He put Asian youth for problem for Austria. He published their name. Say they do illegal business. Now Mofi. Now make the arrest and so. Now make me come outside to tell our Asian people say the mess where Mofi did now not be say not be new thing to us. We have been following him since then. Everything is doing activity. We have been seeing it since there. Because we cannot accept this for someone that we don't know. Someone will come from nowhere. It will be telling our people who is Ogiso. Ogiso is a foolish people. Those are people that we don't want in this our generation. Those are people that be brainwashing our people. Those are people that don't fight for anything. Those are people that you will see on social media that will say they are Ogiso. Oh, here Ogiso, who know Ogiso? Who Ogiso help? Anybody? Mona come as and Ogiso help. Ogiso are not bad Benin. I thought that go fire on two now. Una head not correct. For now to brainwash our people to the extent now. Nothing is happening. Fulani S-men are ravaged everywhere. Nothing is happening. Before now, we even rally around now. They don't kill so many people. They don't round everywhere up. They don't round everywhere up. Go look the Ile-Ife people. They don't go great about Benin. Ogami and Ogiso are not about Benin. There be one. If una don't know, there are one people. Why they disagree now? The money the Oba Benin no they give their share well. Una not they understand my people. The share not the big way the way it is before. Now make movie be one negotiate that time. We understand it. We have been following these people activity. Their activity now reach this extent. So we make our people not wake up now. Because what they are fighting for is different thing entirely. They are not fighting, they not see today. Because they are fighting for money. If they are not fighting for money, they foresee what they come today. Because they have been praising Obaseki, all of them, all the whole Benin people, they have been praising Obaseki. But you will never see any of them come outside. We praise Abu Sali. Abu Sali have done this thing. He have not did it before they kill him. That's why we are removing ourselves among of those people. We are not one. For them to be using tactics to be killing our people. Because Mofi have been killing, you don't kill so many of our people. You don't arrest so many of our people. Put many of our people for prison. Many Asian people, you don't put them for prison. Because when it start program, Asian people, it takes start. The Asian people, it is Asian and Igbo people. He condemned them. He said that they do illegal business. And in the inside room, they chop benefit. Nothing they happen to them. If you come out and say, all those things where they happen for the women, and those women, where they say that the German government, they take care of. Now, these same women, they give her money, where they chop, where they buy Marlboro White for Jamie, they smoke. Now, those women, see, they help her. At the end of the day, if you come and those things where they happen, you go say, no, my brother, leave that one like that. You know, we agree, may you talk to, wait till they talk. You know, agree, may you challenge her. Now, be the slavery where we won't put our people. So, more than they understand where in they go. The Igodomigodo children, Mofi is fighting against Igodomigodo. I'm telling you today now, forget he will swear. He swear it's not working. He even come outside. There is one water, honorary water. This boy just bring one water. He said they should come and buy. He said they should come and buy this water. It will help them. It will make them to be alive. My brother, Mofi and Oba Benin, their head no they work. Now people that in Igodomigodo land, we are going to put these people in prison. And Mofi are going to pay dearly for it to brainwash our people to the extent that our people suppose dey instant security in a mass way. They'll dey there plenty well. No, Mofi have not done that. He have not did anything. He will come outside. We will telling our people he is Ogiso. Ogiso, we don't know Ogiso. Ogiso, they are the people that kill our ancestors. They are the one. They are the one. What I'm telling you people today, you people will not believe me. They are the one. He's not saying anything. You people you try to be telling him he's doing well. I'm not trying to spoil his name. Me, I'm not saying that me good pass. But just that for me, I don't see the mess we don't put for our people. No, not be me good pass. I not be this thing. I not be ancestor. I not be Jesus Christ. I just human be like me and you. Now me and you be Jesus Christ. That be God wey did this earth. So now me and you fit talk to our people. Say that they brainwash them. Please, anybody where they do this kind of thing, may come up for this out. When our leader come out and say the pastor in the zoo, they are evil. Everybody is against them. The old pastor, the verse, hey, offering money no will come and go. Now some of it still be when our leader talk say there is no kingship in Biafra land. He verse now. He verse. This boy verse. He just verse. They are one pastor, traditional ruler, Oba, criminal element, Mofi, all of them. They are one group. Now the same agenda that they fight. They are not fighting for anybody. Now one thing that they find. One thing then they find. And if they find this thing, though they try to put some ethnic group where they know say it good well. Though they put there say yes, these people are good. That's why me they here to tell our people. Hey, some people when I go Mofi, that man, that guy me, all me know, Jamie Oje. But he go now for oil ni go yora the cigar ni go oil ni go ya the Marlboro no ri jemi o kan pe and this boy na money wo ke san mo na ko prison or ara si wo ke san prison o yo bi okere this boy na Again, on them videos or a call. Or now we will get some a kien, equal criminal or many some people a prison again. Or will like video a control a balegbe. They your money wokama. We just on the only moving or causing this damage in knee against the Asian people. Even during that period in knee, many Asian people prison my present that period in already this damage in knee. That's why always many people even now understanding the kind of damage in the mafia rule against our people. So that no yours yagina or your yagina mejia because it's not rock better. Because on the the damage no say rule against our people because our people in never no let over on a murder because there's a more rule my because Abdima joined the mercenary that they put us for the mess where the day since then. That's why they tell our people now anything concerning Mofi, concerning those Benin people, just stay away from them. They have to face, everybody face your problem and your business. Because now if you see them now, all of them, I'm not saying it's only the Igbo people go past. All of them, this Igbo is their problem. This one will say it's Igbo, the other one will say it's Igbo. It's what their problem. Even the Mofi don't like Igbo people. Since the Igbo people stop to be giving Mofi money, but he don't like them gay. He don't like them. Since they stop to giving him money. Even the people that give Mofi money is the Igbo people and the Asian people and some of those Urobo that don't even know this boy is one of those Oba Benin people just because they just separated from for whatever they are doing. They get share. They know they get share. Ogiame know they get share again. Then make Ogiame call Mofi. I beg, come talk this program so that they collect small money. Now so they are just criminal. They be thieves. They be thieves. Now so it just be. If I dey lie, now make on name the claim. If they fight against Igodomigodo, as Mofi did there, so he is fighting against us on daily basis. He is brainwashing our people on daily basis. Our people will be on social media, will be shouting. Oh, we don't know Ogiame. Ogiame na mad person. Who Ogiame fight for that Igodomigodo now? Ogiame dey now Oba Benin collect wetin he get for. We don't need these people. Oba Benin and Ogiame, all those Mofi rubbish people. We don't want them in Igodomigodo land as it is now. In Igodomigodo now, Edo State. These people we are going to build psychiatry hospital. Now because it's psychiatry not dey Igodomigodo now, that's why you will be seeing individual when they come outside. We are the savior. We are the Ogiso. We are the second Ogiso. We want to come and save people. At the end of the day, now we don't know that this time now we suppose don't discover these people they need treatment. They need health care to keep them in the psychiatry hospital. They will take care of them very well so that their brain will come back to their right senses. Because you cannot be brainwashing our people. Our people will be suffering. No. Your Ogiso don't put something now. You not do that for our people for hope. You not stop Fulani herdsmen make them not come. You even they support the Fulani people. That's what they tell my people now. Some people, I will cheat people. Mofi, that money. Oh no, me ata me banya escape or he just try to escape for a mistake when he make against the Isha people and the Igbo people and the Amuchi people. We are one. Go and look the street now. Who you will see in the street. If you see Amuchi, you will see Esa, you will see Igbo, you will see Agbo. Now you will see for street. Now so it just be. That's why they tell my people now. Leave these people. They have done a lot of damage. They be gawa. Me they tell now. That they betrayed our people every day. They get the thing for their DNA. They did their blood. It did their blood on daily basis. If they see person where they do good thing, now make you say anybody will be way good. They like one kid and they'll say na God corner. My brother, not be God corner. Good people, they're supposed to live long. Good people, they're supposed to stay there alive. They'll stay alive. People will worship them. People will praise them for the things where they don't do for people. Now, so good people take they live. Okay, now. Okay, the abroad will day now. The Igbo people, they don't get good people. They're there. Good people there. They know they die. They are still living. People are still praising them. They are putting their paper in library. Yeah, go and buy. Read this man history. See what this man done in this land. But in our land, this is how these people brainwash us. Deceive us. They say good people must die. It's how these people did it. Good people must die. Ogiame Ogiso is a bad person. He died. He have never born. He have never do anything in Igodomigodo land. No. He have never fight anybody. He have never built any hospital. He have never done anything. Nothing. Rubbish. Everything just rubbish. Rubbish. He is fighting against Igodomigodo. Person that are fighting against Igodomigodo will be coming out. If I do this, he will use my brother. There is nobody. No swear. This boy can swear that me are there. They listen to her because Oba Benin already swear for all of them. If they carry dustbin, they come outside, they swear for all of them. Every blessed day, it is swear for them. Okay, why would they come outside? We say, if I do, if they fight against us, every blessed day. Now make our youth, the Asian youth especially, even though say the Benin people, they kill them for secret court, it's a welcome development. But for the Asian people, don't let anybody to brainwash you, say we are one. We don't want. Now these tactics, they take kill Abu Salih, if you know they understand. These tactics, by now, Obaseki for don't die. Because of Obaseki, they be one of them. Because of Abu Salih have not done this kind of things. Before they kill him, before they jail him, he have not done this kind of things. He have not thief anybody's money. Now this pain that we still date it today. This brainwashing that we still date to today. Another person they come outside now. Where therefore they come outside? Where these people for they rise up? Now that those states, now therefore they rise up. They'll say we be one. Now they understand. It's not good. We not be one. If they rise up for there, they'll try to correct their mistake. It cannot be corrected because now be the damage will be say the swear where Abu Salih lake for their head. The swear will swear for that those states. Now if they work, so that's why Obaseki carry the whole land for those states. Not Esan land. Esan land is capital city of Biafra land. That's why he carry that place. Give Fulani made the do ruga for there because the swear where Abu Salih lake for their head. It must surely come to pass and it will be working for their head and it will remain there. There will be Fulani will kill all of them. It's a weapon development. But don't add Asian people in your mess. Please, man, you will stop that thing. Don't add Asian people in your mess because I'm going to buy ticket to come to Germany. I will personally look for you and I will beat you mercilessly. You will go and call your lawyer and I will go and call my lawyer. Let us judge our case and I will bring your tape. Come outside. As you tell they defraud our people. As you tell they collect our people money for social media. What did you use the money to do? Are you working in Germany? What tax are you paying in Germany? You will come and told them. That be the reason why I say they can't beat you for Germany. The boy that call himself Ogisu, we don't know him. It's not welcome. Some people it's not welcome. It's not a welcome development. If they fight against our freedom, he is fighting against our freedom. He has never supported them, support us one day. If he sees say they don't share a broadcast, he will go carry Biafra flag. He will go put up for Facebook. Biafra is we are one. This thing, you go that breaking, we are one. That's what can't be one. The next day, he will come outside. Obaseki is the Messiah, is the one God sent come. Even the new tea, that new tea where they Spain. Now so that one head still be. That one say Obaseki na be Messiah, is the God sent to them. Abu Salih is not God sent. That's why they care Abu Salih. And that make me they tell the Asian people now be very careful about these people because they are educated fools. They don't have brain. They are not thinking like normal human being. Oba Bini be putting their brain. It don't Oba Bini kill their youth. They do human sacrifice recently. And I made them not they think again, but they carry us put for inside. Me, I would dare here they tell our people there is nothing anybody can do about it. And Oba Bini, we are going to deal with him for Abu Salih with the key. And Mofi, I'm coming for you for Germany. And you will tell the German government that I'm coming. This is a library. Call this place Mofi. I'm coming to Germany. And I will beat you well. Not be say, ask anybody who know me. Carry this video. Ask anybody who know me for Germany. He will tell you say now the way me take talk and so. Now so me go take douan. And if I did douan, police go dead there. I will beat you for police present. And there is nothing they can do about it. Thank you, my people. God bless Biafra. God bless IPOB. God bless Odube Bojuku. God bless Mazuna Dikalo. Nobody can divide us now. We are Igodomigodo victorious. We are Idu State, Igodomigodo Biafra. Anything Ogiso is not acceptable in our generation. Anything Oba is not acceptable in our generation. Anything Ogiamie, those are rubbish people, foolish people. It's not acceptable. We don't welcome them in Igodomigodo land. They are not welcome. We don't know them. We don't know where they for come. They are the Fulani. They are the ones that want to conquer our people. Thank you, my people. God bless you. God bless Biafra.